This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your laptop supports the on-screen keyboard and enabling required settings now. Open Settings or Control Panel and search for Touch Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard, then toggle it on. If you're on Windows, enable the Touch Keyboard icon in Taskbar settings. On Mac OS, add the keyboard viewer to the menu bar. Once done, place the icon for quick access and test opening the keyboard to verify keys display and respond correctly. You should now customize layout and behavior to make typing efficient. Open keyboard settings and choose layout, key size, and prediction options. Enable autocorrect if you want fewer errors. For multilingual work, add languages and ensure input methods match your physical keyboard. Adjust repeat delay and repeat rate if keys feel sluggish or overly sensitive. If offered, enable a split or floating keyboard for ergonomic positioning and resize by dragging corners. So frequently used key. Finish by pinning the on-screen keyboard for instant access and practicing shortcuts to speed workflow. Pin it to your taskbar or menu bar and memorize frequent shortcuts like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and Alt+Tab. Use Command on Mac OS. Once comfortable, lock the layout and backup custom settings if your system allows export. If the keyboard fails to appear, restart the input service or toggle the accessibility option off and on. If that fails, update keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.